How to reply to a message on Instagram. Hey Instagram fam, into this video I'm going to walk you through on how you can reply a message on Instagram. Replying a message on Instagram DMs are a great way to connect with people privately. You can share personal messages, photos and videos, making it easier to stay in touch with friends, family and even followers. So guys, ensure you watch this video to the very end to learn how to reply a message on Instagram. Now the first thing you want to do guys is to go to your DM, tap on the airplane paper icon at the top, then simply open the chat of the message you want to respond to. In the chat, at the bottom of the chat is the text button. Now type in your message here. You can type in a preferred message, and once you are done, tap on the send button or a paper airplane icon depending on whichever you are provided with. So just tap on it to send your message, and this way the receiver will get your message. You can also make your response more engaging and fun by adding emojis. You can add emojis, select any one of your preference. You can also add stickers. You can use the voice notes to make a reply on Instagram. You can also edit your reply in case of typo. You can just tap and hold it and select the edit option. Provided your reply is within 15 minutes duration, you can copy the reply, you can forward it, and you can unsend your reply too. So guys, this is a very easy way you can reply to a message on Instagram. This process allows you to stay connected with others on Instagram. So if you have any question and you need any further assistance, feel free to ask in the comment section below. And also guys, hit the subscribe icon as this means a lot to the channel. See you in the next video guys. Bye.